So here's a demo showing a Bluetooth mesh network that comprises of two Sylvania Smart Plus light bulbs that I bought off the shelf. And I have a development kit, the NRF 52840. I've programmed it with a modified version of the light switch demo that Nordic provides. I've modified it so that the buttons control more lights as well as controlling a group of lights together. And this is what I'm going to show here. So I have button 1 controlling F1, button 2 controlling FC1 by itself, button 3 controls both of them but turns them on since they're already on. I have button 4 that turns both off the group. So let's try turning button 2 on by itself, turning it off, and button 3 turns them both on at the same time. Button 4 again turns them off. So this is a quick demo showing how two light bulbs that were bought off the market can work within a Bluetooth mesh network from with a light switch that was based on the Nordic NRF 52 development kit.